Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring you a review and an introduction to Aimeili's new set of 12 bottles kit. Here they are. So you're going to see this is how they come packaged, just like the 6-bottle collection of gel polishes that they have, but this one contains 12 different colors. So let's open it up and you can see. And inside you do have a little pamphlet that gives you instructions if you are new to gel polish applications, and you have instructions on how to follow for a proper gel application. Now let's go ahead and turn these over. As you can see, because they are 12, so these are smaller bottles. These are 8 ml bottles. Okay, let me go ahead and pull them out of the plastic. Okay guys, so here they are out of the package, and as you can see, the obvious change that Aimeili made for these bottles, these 8 ml bottles, they're black and white, whereas the regular bottles are in pink. And this collection that I have here, the numbers go from 226 on the very first one to 237. And instead of me going through and swatching each one of these on camera, I already have the swatches on a color wheel, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the formula. I'm going to open each bottle of all the colors so you can see how they are. Most of all of them but one are creams and solid colors. There is a jelly one here, so I can't wait to show you the color range of these. Let's go ahead and first look at them, check out the formula, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's the color wheel with all the colors together. Check them out. So they go from a range of different shades of yellows, and here's a yellow. Believe it or not, I know there's a lot of you that are gonna hate this one, but I absolutely love it. It's a yellow with a green undertone, or a green with a yellow undertone, whichever way you want to look at it. I do love that color. And so it starts going into deeper, more orangey yellows. Then we hit this, it's more of a peach. Then it goes into a darker orange. This one right here is a neon. And then we go into this one, seems more like a coral. It has somewhat of a pink in there. Then we go back to a much darker orange. This is the jelly orange. And here, so another one with a pink undertone, more into a neutral color. I wouldn't necessarily, well, I would say probably like a brick color. Yes, soft brick color there. So here they are, absolutely beautiful with the combination. That you can combine a couple of these to make them, you know, it will be more of a seasonal fall colors. But I love the color range. This is 2 coats for each one of them, and then finish with a gel top coat. So what do you guys think of this collection? I think it's a very nice collection, a combination of colors here that you can get all 12 of them together in these small size bottles as they started. And I do have another set of 12 more colors that I'm going to review later on another day for you guys. It's a different color range than these. Do you guys have any favorites? It's hard for me to pick because it's almost like even though they seem in the same spectrum, they're quite different from each other. I mean, I do like yellows, I like oranges, I like these neutrals. So I will say this green, yellowish green is neutral, this one and this one as well. The others are a little bit brighter. So there you guys have it. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me these beautiful gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.